Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from your video on a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Alright, and then I'm going to add my video. I'm just going to pick a random video from here. I'm going to choose, for example, this video. Okay, and then we're going to add green screen video to our project. So guys, I'm going to give you information that we can only remove green screen from our video if we add the video to the layer. I'm going to add the video to the first layer. As you can see, this is my main layer, and I'm going to add one layer to this project. So I'm going to click on photos, and we can add green screen video. Wait, I'm still trying to find my green screen video. Okay, for example, this one guys. I'm going to add this green screen to my project, and now it has been added. And I'm going to show you how we can remove this green screen. If we want to do that, we can use Chroma feature on VN video editor. The Chroma feature will appear in this layer. Wait, you can click on your video, your green screen video, and then you will find the Chroma feature here, and then you can pick the green color and then adjust the intensity and also the spill and click on the check mark. And as you can see that the green screen has been removed from my video. And let me try to click on the main layer. As you can see here that there is no Chroma feature to remove the green screen. So we can't remove the green screen here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove green screen from your video using the Chroma feature on VN video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Hope this video helpful for you.